So I've got this old set of spark plug wires from a 97 Toyota Camry with a 2.2 4-cylinder. And these are the old ones that I was running, and I've got some new ones. And I want to just measure these and get an idea if they're still good or not, and compare them to the new ones that I've got. These old ones were numbered. This one's numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4, the little numbers there. I think these are pretty good quality wires. I think they're NGKs. And so I've got an ohm meter here. Click on there and just go in there and find that connection where the spark plug would reach. So that's 2.954 K ohms, almost 3,000 ohms. And so I'll go to the next one. I'm assuming as I go to the longer wires, the measurement will go higher and higher. So this one's 4.3 kilo ohms. So the car was running okay, but I had to pull the spark plugs anyway. So I just might as well put in new wires. These are about 11 years old. 5.4 K. So yeah, the measurements gradually going up. I really like this Toyota style of connecting. It's a latch on the spark plug. It's pretty cool. I like it. This one's 5.5. Get rid of these. These are my new wires. I had to label these because they didn't come with labels. But just to avoid any confusion when I plug them in. And these are called JDM Speed. I think they're made in China, like a lot of things, I guess, these days. Okay, so again, I'm going to start with number 4 here. And take a reading. 1.4 K. That's a little bit lower. This next one here. 2K. So as long as they're all reading kind of consistently and nothing in the mega ohm or 10K, I think I'd be safe to run them. Yeah, these are about half the what I was reading on the other ones. And just to compare, here's one. They're very similar. They have a little rubber piece at the bottom there. So that's a comparison of the JDM. And here's the box that they came in. And there's the part number. '97 Toyota 2.2. So I wanted to share some details about this Toyota spark plug connector. It's a 2-piece. Actually, this is a hard shell with a latching mechanism on it here. And then here's a soft rubber part. that actually seals, I guess this is what seals keeps the moisture out here. And when you go to install these, you have to push this hard shell down to compress the rubber here, and then it will allow this latch to activate.